Good morning, students. Students, this is Miss Priya Rathore, and students, I'm with English class. So, for that, you need to open your book number 2. This is your book number 2. Please open it. And in this, you need to open the page number 4444 and 4545. Okay. Students, as you all know that we had completed our letters from A to letter E. Okay. So here we are going to do recap of those letters. Okay. So firstly we are going with page number 4444. Fine. So here what you have to do on page number 4442, 4444, we have to do recap. Write the missing letters. Here it is written over here, write the missing letters. So you have to just take care of these things, that if capital letters are written over here, then only you have to write capital letter. If small letter is there, then you have to write in small letters. So as you can see over here, it's small a. So we have to write here A, then B. But the A is small, so in the same way we will write small b. Fine, in a very good handwriting. Small a, small b, small c, then small d, small e. Now speak with me with some pictures. A astronaut, B balloon, C cap, D dinosaur, E entrance. Now come to the next. This is the letter B, but it's capital B. So A B we will write C, but it's capital C. B C, then D E F. All letters should be in capital form, because this letter is written over here, these two letters are in capital form. That's why we have to write all the letters in capital form. Here these three letters were in small form, so that we had written in small form. Now come to the next. Small b, small c, small d, small e, small f. Okay. Now next. Oh, here it's written capital C and capital D. What comes before D? C. What comes before C? It's capital B. Beaver, bird. B, C, D. Which letter will comes before B? A. Abacus. Yes. In this way you have to complete your work on page number 4444. After completing this, we have to come on the page number 4545. Here it is. So here what we have to do? We have to do recap here as well. Look at the picture and color the circle. Write the first letter of its name. Okay, so for that we required our color box. So here it is, my color box. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to color that letter, that the picture start with that particular letter. So which picture is this? It's B ball. Okay, so here I have taken blue color. You can take your own choice. Okay, so ball stands with letter B, so we will color this letter B. You speak B ball. Make sure your coloring should not be go outside. Okay, and speak B ball. Done. Now this is car. Car start with which letter? C, car. Where is C here? Yes, it is. So color this letter. Make sure your color should not be go out with this circle. Fine. Now next, ooh, which picture is this? It's dog, dog. So we will do the color letter D. D the dog. D the dog. Okay. Now come to the next. Which picture is this? It's egg. Egg starts with which letter? E A egg. So we will color the letter E. E A egg. E A egg. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? It's flower. F for flower. So where is the letter F? Is this? No. Is this? Yes. So color the letter F. Fine. So in the same way you have to complete both the pages. Fine. And submit your work on Google Classroom. Thank you.